reaching out here at 6:30 in the morning, and I am going to Bhagesh's house. As you can see in the video, Bhagesh मुझे phone नहीं उठा रहा है. Let's see how the trek goes on. Stay tuned. चला गया और all thanks to Fayaz भैया.
Yes, all thanks to Fayaz Ansari, the one and only hairstylist in Mumbai.
We were going to enjoy this ride on KTM. We finally found out. We had one job, one freaking job, and we never did. Bas. उसने दी, and उसने दी found out. So yeah, so that's why. That's the update that हम लोग को सीखते.
बाकी पीछे क्लाउड्स देखो.
One eternity later.
Good morning, people. So right now we are starting the Kalawantin trek, and this is the very easy part. This
easy part.
This is my boy Adit over here.
Yeah, what's up people, what's up, bye.
We both are doing this trek today. We have done it earlier also,
Many times.
but this is the vlog trek.
Yeah.
हम लोग स्पेशली
Vlog shit.
व्लॉग के लिए आए यहाँ पे. तो बस वही.
That's why we don't need more people, we both are enough for that.
So let's see again. Minor update. There's traffic jam ahead, so we're waiting here in the queue.
Yeah.
So I guess we should proceed. So we are 1/3 in the trek, and it's quite sunny right now. मजा आ रहा है. आगे देखते हैं. थोड़ी शेड मिली है, बहुत सही चल रहा है. हेवन. सर्टेन पॉइंट जहाँ पे सब लोग आने नहीं चाहिए. ये देखो, मतलब क्या है ये, इतनी बच्चों की क्यों लाइफ में. हाँ, काहे इतनी बच्चों भैया. So yeah, just a minor update. We are at the plateau, Prabalgarh Machi, and this is the view. It's serene. You can see Panvel over there, and follow few more mountains on the right, and here we go for Kalawantin. So I was telling earlier ki from this point onwards I'll point the camera towards myself so that you can imagine the heavy and steep steps we're taking right now over the boulders and all those rocks over here.
In 90 degrees straight.
It's coming in around 10 minutes, I guess. So yeah.
Then we are at the destination.
So yeah. So the main reason for coming to this trek was it is like my most favorite place to trek. I've been here around 5 to 6 times, in the past 3 to 4 years. I don't remember actually how many times I've been here, and I really like it over here. That's it, nothing new. Also, my first trek was here. Kalavantin was the first trek I had ever done in my life, and that too in monsoon, guys. It is terrific in monsoon. Still, we managed to pull it off. I had a couple of my cousins with me and 2 of my friends. All of us made to the top in monsoon. So in summer times or winter times, it is quite easy, not an issue. चल ठीक है, इधर एक इधर एक इधर एक, चल। Finally, we are at the top of Kalavantin Durg, and here we are. Bhagesh, come here.
Yeah, bro.
So here we are. And
अलंकार मंडित शस्त्र शस्त्रास्त्र पारंगत राजनीती धुरंधर प्रौढ प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावतंस सिंहासनाधीश्वर श्रीमंत योगी हिंदू शिरोमणी छत्रपति श्री शिवाजी महाराज की जय। छत्रपति श्री शिवाजी महाराज की जय।
This is not the way.
हाँ आ जाओ उतर तू।
बस यहाँ पे उतर ना, तेरे लेफ्ट में। उनको ऊपर आने आके तू बाहर निकल जा। हाँ चला गया। That's it. That's it. मैं उतर रहा। कुछ नहीं करना है पहले। चल
चल चल, ये करना था तेरे को बस।
अबे मेरा बैग देख, मेरा बैग लेके करना तू।
चल चल, मैं चढ़ा उतना तेरा बैग लेके। काय टेन्शन नाही, झाले झाले, फक्त उतरताना बघा आता काय ते जराशी जागा मला guys, so right now we are ending the vlog. We are about to reach the end. And we've just found a beautiful stick insect. I'll upload a photo because it will not be visible on GoPro.
और ये स्टिक इंसेक्ट का साइज पता क्या होता है?
ठीक
अच्छा
है।
स्टिक इंसेक्ट वो इतने बड़े बड़े स्टिक इंसेक्ट होते हैं, इतने बड़े बड़े. These are very common. So this is just a baby or the average size. Okay, the adult का size इतना बड़ा होता है स्टिक इंसेक्ट. One boy.
This is it. So yeah, that's how usually he reacts when he sees animal, and that's pretty basic. It's pretty basic. So yeah, so I was telling ki I am ending this vlog. I hope you liked it, and hope so. I'll create some more videos pretty soon. Not so soon enough, but